Hello, my name is Cristina, and in this video, I will tell you my experience with the product Revisil without winding up. If you want to know if it is worth your investment or not, watch to the end because there is some very important information about this Revisil Anti-Aging Cream that I will expose in this Revisil review. First of all, I will leave the official website where I bought my Revisil linked in the description in case you decide to try it out yourself. Revisil is a cream that promises to rejuvenate the skin by repairing the damage caused over the years. The difference in its formula is a secret of exotic islanders from Okinawa who have used it for years. It doesn't matter what size crow's feet, wrinkles, or age problems you have. I am 43 years old and I always tried to keep my skin as youthful as possible, and I have used many good creams and I have had some expensive aesthetic procedures. After researching, I decided to pay to see if it was really that good. To understand the situation, I had some wrinkles that were bothering me a lot, mainly on my forehead, and every time I saw them looking in the mirror I felt terrible about myself, so I bought 3 bottles of Revisil Anti-Aging Cream as the site recommends. To my surprise, in the first month using the product I had almost zero results. I was so upset with the situation that I almost gave up. I thought, well, if it doesn't work, I'll ask for my money back since they gave me 60 days to try it out. But I wanted the transformation, of course. At the end of the second month, it improved a lot more, but not quite what I was expecting. But I still had 1 more bottle left and I decided to use it even though the guarantee was only up to that point. And then, in the first week after I almost gave up, I was stunned. My skin had really transformed from water to wine. By the end of the 3rd month, the wrinkles on my forehead and under my eyes were practically gone. I did not think twice and bought 6 more pots of Revisil because I realized that the product works, but it takes time to act effectively on a skin, and today, after 5 months of use, I can't say that I've rejuvenated 15 years, but about a few good years for sure. I even did a test. I bought it from my husband, who is 56 years old, to test and see the efficacy, and with him work as well too. It took about 10 weeks to see great results. So I will give you a few tips about this if you decide to actually buy it. Keep in mind that your results will be different to others because our bodies will react in different ways, and it takes more or less 2 months to see the best results, and be aware of the place you buy it. Only trust the official Revisil website. That's why I left it in the description. Now pay attention. Due to the success of the product, they might have sold out as I mentioned, so I will get myself a few more jars to be safe, guys. Share it to help those who have doubts about Revisil, and if this video helped you, please leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.